In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the 1020 error on a Cloudflare website. If you've encountered this issue while trying to access a website, don't worry, I'm here to help you through it. The 1020 error often appears when there's a problem with your website's server or settings, meaning that the server is denying access due to certain policies. One straightforward solution that often resolves the problem is clearing your browser cache and cookies. Doing this can help eliminate outdated or corrupted data that might be causing access issues. Let's start by talking about what cache and cookies are. Essentially, cache refers to the temporary storage area in your browser where it saves copies of web pages and data from sites you've recently visited. This helps speed up your browsing by loading parts of the page from your local storage instead of downloading them all over again. On the other hand, cookies are small files stored on your computer that remember your preferences, login status, and other session information. Sometimes, these bits of data can get outdated or corrupted, leading to errors like the 1020 error we are focusing on today. The first step to clearing these data involves opening your web browser. For most browsers like Chrome, Firefox, or Edge, you'll begin by accessing the Settings menu. In Chrome, you'll find this by clicking on the three dots in the top right corner. For Firefox, the menu is represented by three horizontal lines, and in Edge, look for three dots as well. After accessing the settings, look for the Privacy and Security section. This section deals with everything that pertains to the data stored by websites you visit. Here, you'll find an option labeled something like Clear Browsing Data or Clear History. When you select this option, a menu will usually pop up, giving you a choice between clearing your browsing history, download history, cookies, and other site data, and cached images and files. To address the 1020 error, you'll specifically want to focus on cookies and cached files. Before you proceed, you have the option to select the time range. It's generally a good idea to clear the data from all time to ensure that nothing is left behind that could be causing the issue. Once you've set the time range, simply check the boxes next to cookies and other site data and cached images and files. With everything ready, click on the button that says Clear Data or Clear Now. The process might take a moment, so don't worry if there's a slight delay. Once it's done, try reloading the website to see if the problem has been resolved. If you're still experiencing issues after this step, it may be time to reach out to the website's administrator for more assistance, as the issue might be more on the server side. But in many cases, clearing your browser's cache and cookies can be a quick and effective solution. And there you have it. A simple way to address the 1020 error when visiting a Cloudflare protected site. Thank you for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more helpful tips and solutions.